Hello, I am you back again. And now I'm using a flashlight, 2 glasses of water, and some paper.
Or actually, this one, did we just do one size of water?
And 2 different sizes. And if we look at the small glass, you can kind of see that some of the colors are like mixed around and they're like really thin. Because you see a red there, maybe blue there, green. The colors are mixed around, but they're still like a rainbow. Like, see, really thin. Kind of turns a little bit white. Then when you look at the big glass, you can see that, yeah, it's kind of the same as the white glass.
The little smaller glass?
Yeah. They're basically the same.
Okay.
And now, dropped a little bit right there. Now, as you can see, the yellow, not really anything. You can see all the colors are mixed around. It's just like really fainted yellow. I can see a little bit like fainted yellow rainbows. It's really hard to see. Let's see, yellow is like super, well, you see blue, orange, red, and yellow. Well, that's what I did before. And yeah, you can see like it kind of changed colors. See, you see a little orange, red. You can see a little blue if you look really deeply. And of course, yellow. It's so easy. Same thing here. Just not as good because the small glass is a lot better. As you can see, all the colors are, they're like fainted rainbow, like fat, thin rainbow. Is this fat, thin? Yeah. It said fat, thin.
We had it come back a little bit. There you go.
You see a fat, thin rainbow?
Yeah, the start of it right here.
Yeah. See, fat, thin.
No, you're too close. There you go.
This fat, thin.
There you go.
Pretty. Yeah, that's pretty good. You can see like really thin ones. And next, brown. Oops. Brown, here's what I wrote for brown. Super tiny rainbow.
You're still close, honey. Yep, you can see right there a little bit.
Yeah.
A little better on the smaller one.
Yeah. I forgot to write that the smaller one's better on my chart.
Well, when we did it last time, you only did a small one.
Yeah.
We were trying.
Better at everything. And for red, I wrote red. It's like really red, and it's kind of, and it's like harder to see other colors. Like easy to see, well, hard. It's really hard to see those colors. You can see tons like red. See, you got a little really red. They're like so thin you can't even see them.
Okay. Whoa.
Woo!
All right. So in the dark, what was the best color?
The best color would be white for everything.
Okay.
For like a big glass of water, small glass of water, and a flashlight. And the best thing between a big glass of water, small glass of water, and a flashlight was probably the flashlight.
I thought well, today I think the rainbows were better with the sunlight.
Yeah, but the flashlight.
And then which glass was better, Vanessa?
The white one.
No, which glass? Big or small?
I mean the small glass.
Small glass. Okay. That concludes.
Yes, but now we can look at my chart.
Well, should we pause it? Okay, what would you like to say about your chart?
Well, you can look at my chart. White paper.
Okay, well you can show them that in class. All right, say, all done.
All done, but
Sign
I
off
need
in
to
this.
read this. I need to read
You can do that in class.
this.
Okay, say bye-bye, Miss Atkins class.